In the vast and often complex world of finance, certain companies emerge that fundamentally challenge the status quo. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is undoubtedly one of them. While not a traditional bank, Wise has carved out a significant niche and become synonymous with a few key principles that have reshaped how we think about international money. As a finance expert, I can tell you that Wise is primarily known for three transformative elements: transparent, low-cost international money transfers, its revolutionary mid-market exchange rate, and its multi-currency account with local bank details. These features, combined with a user-friendly digital experience, are what have propelled Wise into the global spotlight and endeared it to millions of users worldwide. 1. Breaking the bank, transparent, low-cost international money transfers. For decades, sending money across borders was an expensive and often opaque process. Traditional banks typically charged hefty fees for international wire transfers, and even more frustratingly, they often added a hidden markup to the exchange rate. This meant that the amount the recipient actually received was often significantly less than what the sender expected, with the difference quietly pocketed by the banks. Wise burst onto the scene with a mission to change this. It became known for radical transparency. Wise shows you all fees up front. Before you confirm any transfer, you see the exact exchange rate, the Wise fee, and the precise amount your recipient will receive. There are no hidden charges or nasty surprises. This level of clarity was groundbreaking and immediately set Wise apart from its competitors. Significantly lower costs. By building its own payment network and cutting out many of the intermediaries, like correspondent banks, that traditional transfers rely on, Wise drastically reduced the cost of sending money internationally. This means more of your money reaches its destination, which is a massive benefit for individuals supporting family abroad or businesses paying international suppliers. Fairer fees, not just lower fees. Wise's fee structure is generally percentage-based, but often with a small fixed component, which means you only pay for what you use. This contrasts with many banks that might charge a flat, high fee regardless of the amount sent. This commitment to low, transparent fees is arguably Wise's most famous and impactful contribution to the financial landscape. 2. The mid-market exchange rate, the real deal. Perhaps the most revolutionary aspect of Wise's offering, and what truly sets it apart, is its unwavering commitment to the mid-market exchange rate. This is the rate you see on independent financial sources like Google, Reuters, or xe.com. It's the true midpoint between the buying and selling prices of a currency. Traditional banks, as mentioned, often add a spread or markup to this rate. This means they buy foreign currency from you at one rate and sell it at a slightly higher rate, making a profit on the difference. This markup is often obscured, making it difficult for customers to realize how much they are actually losing in the exchange. Wise, on the other hand, pledges to always use the mid-market rate and instead charges a small, separate, and clearly stated fee. This principle of using the real exchange rate is a cornerstone of Wise's reputation for fairness and has educated millions of users about how currency exchange truly works. It empowered consumers and businesses to demand better from their financial providers. 3. The multi-currency account with local bank details, your global wallet. Beyond just sending money, Wise is widely known for its multi-currency account. This innovative account allows individuals and businesses to hold and manage money in dozens of different currencies, over 40 to be precise, within a single account. But it's not just about holding currencies, it's about acting like a local. For many major currencies, Wise provides local bank account details, such as a UK account number and sort code, a Euro IBAN, a US account number and routing number, Australian BSB and account number. This means you can receive payments in these currencies as if you had a local bank account in those countries, often without incurring international transfer fees. This is incredibly valuable for freelancers and remote workers, receiving payments from international clients directly in their local currency, avoiding conversion fees and delays, expats and immigrants, getting paid salaries or pensions from their home country without friction, businesses, making and receiving international payments seamlessly, simplifying international trade and payroll, travelers, using the associated Wise debit card to spend directly in the local currency they hold, or convert funds at the mid-market rate with low fees if they don't, thereby avoiding expensive foreign transaction fees often charged by traditional banks. This borderless capability has made Wise a go-to solution for anyone living a global lifestyle or running an international business. Beyond the core, speed, convenience, and trust. While the 3 points above are Wise's defining characteristics, its reputation is also built on speed. Many Wise transfers are instant or arrive within minutes, especially for popular currency routes. This efficiency is a significant improvement over traditional bank transfers that can take days. Convenience. The entire Wise experience is digital, accessible through its intuitive website and mobile app. Setting up an account, sending money, and managing balances can all be done from the palm of your hand, without needing to visit a physical branch. Trust and reliability. Despite not being a bank, Wise is heavily regulated by financial authorities worldwide. It employs robust safeguarding measures to protect customer funds, ensuring that your money is kept separate from Wise's operational funds. This commitment to security has built a strong foundation of trust among its millions of users.